Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on the time you are watching this video. This is your guy, Crypto Ambassador, and welcome to our channel once again. And please, if this is your first time of getting across our channel, please make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be able to be getting updates whenever we upload new videos. All right, guys. This is a quick one on how to deposit and make withdrawals on Roku Exchange app. If you can remember our previous video, we made a, a video on Roku app when they introduced their virtual card. So we made a video on how you can use the virtual card to make transactions online, and we after the video we got a request from some of our followers and subscribers on how to make deposits and withdrawal using the app. So this video is gonna show you how to do that, how to make deposit and withdrawal on Roku exchange app. Remember, Roku is an exchange app where you can exchange any kind of cryptocurrency they buy and sell. Can exchange any kind of cryptocurrency in the app. Is a verified. I use the app, so I will also be dropping the link for those of you who do not have the app. I'll drop the link to for registration below this description of this video, so you can copy out the link or click on it to get registered on the app. There you can do any exchange, buy or sell any kind of crypto. So this video is going to show you how you can deposit and also withdraw your money from the app. All right, thanks. All right, guys. This is my Roku interface or dashboard, whatever you choose to call it, and I'm going to be showing you how you can deposit and make withdrawals from this very app Roku. It's unfortunate, before I remember to make this video, I've already made a withdrawal this morning, just this morning, but I'm going to still show you how you can do that. And the transaction I just did is just 2040. It was 2047 naira which was in my account. I just withdrew 2040 and it has been credited right in my account. Okay, a quick one. Let me remind you, because of the ban in crypto, the CBN ban in crypto, so they don't really pay directly to our local bank accounts, although the feature is still there. I think probably they've resumed that, but I've not tried using withdraw down to. Okay, they have a maximum of 2 million and minimum of 500 naira if you want to withdraw down to your local bank account. But I'm going to show you the one I use frequently since after the ban which they introduced into the app. The one I use when I want to withdraw is when I click on withdraw, I click on withdraw to wallet, and I will choose Raven. You see Raven? Let me remind you, Raven is a bank on its own. I call it a microfinance bank or whatsoever, but they operate as a bank. I have accounts with them. In fact, they recently also unveiled their virtual card and virtual card, both dollar and naira, which I will soon make a video on that. Now Roku, I will also drop the link for you to sign up on on Raven. Is a bank account, is a Nigeria bank account, bank the way you have your Kuda, other banks. You can see Kuda is listed here, but it's not working yet. The one working here is Raven. So when you open your Raven account, you can use it to make withdrawals from Roqqu. You click on Raven, then enter your Raven username. In my own case, my username is Diplomat, which I'm gonna enter here. Then type in the amount. Remember, I do not have much in my account. I have less than 10 naira, but let me choose 5 naira, which won't go anyway, but I'm going to use it for the sake of this video for you to see. I type in 5, then click on verify. Then my name came out. That's my name. Then match pay. They are going to match you with someone who is ready to pay you. You understand? This guy is always here. This guy, although the transaction limit he stated here is 5,000 to 50 million, but I can withdraw 1,500 and I will be credited in my Raven account immediately. Even this 5 naira might work, but I'm not going to go ahead with it. I've already made withdrawal using this guy Samuel Query this morning. So that is how Roqqu works. Withdrawal in Roqqu. I use Raven to withdraw my money. I'm going to be showing you that of Raven, and the money I withdrew this morning, it is already in my Raven account. So I'm going to show you that. Now let's go down to deposits. Like you click on deposits, type in the amount you want to deposit. In this case, let's use 10,000 naira. You click on proceed. You can see deposit 10,000 naira, processing fee is 0. You click on proceed, then wallet to wallet peer to peer. You understand? Wallet peer to peer. Then you click on it, choose Raven. They are going to show you this. This is the person you are going to pay that amount, 10,000 naira you choose. After paying, use the transaction, this transaction narration as your narration when paying. Then follow the instruction given. You see the first instruction, click on the merchant name to copy. All right, then click on the blue area to copy your unique narration. Make sure to use this narration both for the transfer. Money must be transferred from your own Raven account. That means you must have Raven, else funds will be returned by the merchant. So you must have Raven to make this kind of transaction. Raven, you use it to deposit, and Roqqu, Raven, you use it to withdraw. That is it for Roqqu. For those of you asking me how to deposit and how to withdraw from this very app known as Roqqu. All right, there are so many ways you can still make money from this app. Remember, this is an exchange app, a crypto exchange app. They buy and sell crypto. You can see it instant buy, instant sell. So you can sell to them, you can buy from them. All right, that is it for now. All right, you can still make money from referrals. Let me show you how much I've made so far from referral bonus. And remember, the referral bonus is a lifetime stuff. When you refer a friend, whatever the person does, you'll be getting 0.5% in all the transactions from that person for life. There's no limit. You can see my own. I've gotten up to 194,000 naira from my referrals. I have at least 130 referrals. So I've gotten about 194,000 naira from referral. Mind you, the money I just withdrew this morning is off from my referrals. You can see yesterday I made 115 naira from someone who did a transaction. So that's what related to 2,000 and something. So I had to withdraw 2,040. All right, now let me show you guys the Raven application. All right guys, this is Raven app. Let me log in. Okay, you can see the 2040 has been credited. This is it. Let me refresh. I think I'm having a network issue. All right, you can see the money already there. Okay, you can see Monday, August 22nd of 2022, 22nd August of 2022. This is the money I received this morning before making this video. So that is it for Raven. I'm going to drop the link for registration so you can sign up. And with this app, is a bank on its own. Is you can send and receive money with it any amount. This have to do verification, normal thing like bank statement, profile. Have to do see the account limit. You understand? Single transaction to Raven is 1 million. This one single transfer Raven to other banks. Okay, I think they limited their transfers. Before it was up to 5 million, although daily transfer here limit is 5 million. So that is it. You have to verify everything here. The ones available for verifications, I've done almost everything. Provided address verification is okay. I think they just added this one now. I will have to do that. So you have to do everything. You have to do everything. That is it for now. Thank you for watching this video, and please do us good by subscribing to our channel. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will also be receiving updates whenever we have a new update for you. Please comment on the comment sections regarding any questions you have, and also share our videos. Please, this is a kind of encouragement you have to give to us. The most important thing is subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you and remain blessed. This is Crypto Ambassador. Please subscribe. Thank you.